And then?
No, I want to do number 2.
You want to do number 2?
Yeah.
You want to do, okay, so you're going to do number 2. Okay, Sully, let's do number 2.
Okay.
All right, I need to stop sharing.
No.
Okay, quickly, come on. Okay, now you go on. Wow, that's clearer than my screen. Come on, come on.
So,
What are you moving around for too much? Come on.
So I'm just gonna maybe this.
That's 7. Okay, don't you think you should start from the 15 first?
Oh. The
question starts in the 15. That becomes no, it's not gonna leave it now. Leave it. Leave it now. Do the 15 first. If you're gonna do the demonstration, that's 15. The bottom is 15, so the top 2 horizontal bits are also 15, which you've done. So you've done things back to front. Okay, so write down 15 and 15. Come right down. Side. You were such a rush to do the demonstration. You didn't let me do another question. Okay, and then
you have to add the sides.
From the left hand side, 5 and 4 gives us 9, and then that gives another 9 there.
Yeah.
So write down 9 add 9. Okay, move it up. Try to leave it in one place. You're moving around too much.
So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus
10 add 18.
18 is 28. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 48 centimeters, because it's just 1 meter.
Done. Okay. So that's the second question then. Okay, Suleiman, I'm gonna go on and do some more examples. So I'm gonna do right. Okay, back to my screen share. Okay, right, let's get back to it. So I think what Suleiman's trying to show first is when you do this here, you do the length that you know for sure. That's 15, and this horizontal bit, add that horizontal bit, gives you the same as the bottom one. So we're gonna have 15 and then another 15. So they've been colored in now. Okay, so then, for example, we go for this 5 height, add this 4 height, which is same as the overall height. So 5 add 4 is the first 9, and the second one is also 9. So we have 15 add 15 is 30. 30 add 18. So what was your answer, Sully? 48. Okay. So this is called working at the perimeter using the coloring technique. So for example, let's have a look at question number 10 now together. So you always start with the side that you know that's clear in front of you. So for example, this here is 9 on the bottom. Everybody should be coloring this in on their pages. This horizontal bit, add this horizontal bit, add this horizontal bit is also 9. So don't forget everything that we've colored in, we've counted. So I've got 2 9s so far, the 9 from the bottom and the 9 from the 3 pieces on the top. Next, if I change the color, we have this height here of 4 and this of 3, that gives you 7. And then you have another 4 on the other side and another 3 on the other side that we don't need a label, but with that 7. So I've counted in through the coloring technique. So it's been colored in. I know I've added it up. I've included it. So then we add them up. So we have 9 add 9. That gives you 18. 18 add 14 is what our question becomes. Okay. So that gives us an answer of 32. So folks, now it's time for you guys to have a go. Okay. Right. The question will get a bit more interesting now. Okay. Right, let's pause the video a bit while you guys do some questions. So now we have 28 centimeters for that question. Now look at how I color coded it. It's all about coloring. I call this the perimeter using the coloring. So Sully is working away in the top corner. So Sully is using the Hue Pro camera as his web camera. Just change the setting over. So while I'm working, we can see him. I can see exactly what my students are doing at the same time. That's fantastic. That's even better than before. Okay, question number 3 now I'm looking at. Sully, you get to question number 3 as well. If you haven't done it yet, follow with me. Question number 3. Let's go. We have a 12 at the top. Let's go slightly thicker. We have this bit here, and this bit, and this bit. That will also make a 12 as well. So we have a 12 and a 12. Let's change color. We have a 4 and a 4 that makes 8. Another 4 and another 4 that makes another 8. So I don't need to label up all the diagram. I just use the labeling, and where I don't use the label, I just color it in. Okay, now, Sully, have I colored the whole shape in?
Yeah.
Yes, that's time to add now. So we have 12 add 8 is 20. 12 add 8 is 20. 20 add 20 is 40. So the perimeter is done. The key thing is the color coding matching the numbers. Look at my colors. The blue color is 12. The other 3-part blue is also 12. The forward 4 is 8. That's the red part. And then on the other side is another red and red. That's another 8. So this color coded and everything's matching up. Okay, question number 4 now. Some more color coding. It's all about coloring. So I have my 10 on the bottom, 10. I have the 4 at this other horizontal bit. These two together make 10. So I have 20 now, all in blue. Whoever's been colored in blue, Sully, your camera's gone. Be gone. Come on. Come on, man. Hurry up. What are you doing? So we have a 4 here and a 2 here. So you're supposed to use crayons, felt pens I'm going to use. That gives me 6 in red. And then I have another 6 there. So I got 10 add 10 is 20. 20 add 12 is 32. We call this perimeter using the coloring method. Okay, question number 5 now. Sully, get yours in focus on the camera. Question number 5. We have a 10 across horizontal. So the total distance across will also be 10. So I got 10 on the bottom. 10, 10.
Yeah.
Not Ben 10. That's something quite different. Okay, we have a 5 here. And the other side is also 5. We have a 5, 5. That makes 10. Okay, we got a bit extra now on this one. We have a 2 here and another 2 there. That gives you 4. So you have 10, 10, 5, 5. That gives you another 10. That's 3 10s. And we have 2s. Now, if you look at the diagram is fully colored up. It's all colored. If it's colored, that means it's been counted. Let's add them up. 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3.
34.
Okay, I think this is the last one now before we're gonna have end of today. Okay, now you have got other sheets in your homework classwork pack, which includes the area compound shape, but we haven't had a chance to do that today. So that part won't be in your homework. We'll pick up from there from next week, inshallah. Okay, next one. Let's do some more coloring now. So we have a 12 on the top. We have a 12 on the bottom. 12, 12. Lovely. We have a 2 and a 4. That's 6. And another 2. That's 8. And we have an 8 on the other side now. So please follow me in the coloring, please, folks. You're learning perimeter through coloring. That's the method. It might sound a bit odd. We're doing coloring in maths, but it's not that odd, actually. So we have a 4 and a 4 and a 4 and another 4. So we have 16 in green. Sully, is the shape all colored in?
Yeah.
It's all colored in. That means it's all been counted. Let's add them up. So 8 add 2 is 10. And then we have another 8. That gives you 18. So 1, 1, 1, 1. That gives you 48. Done. Okay, lovely. So Sully, can you show us your number 6, please? You cut, yeah. Okay, don't forget, Sully's, we've changed the setting on his, we've opened his camera and we've changed his camera setting to the Hue Pro D. Sully, I can't see number 6. It's not in the camera view. That's better. Okay, remember, use colors, please, folks. So you look at my color coding. So orange bits are 12s, the red bits are 8, the green bits are the 4, that makes 16. Done. Okay, folks, let me explain what the homework is now. For those of you in just in the maths lesson only. Yeah. So this first double page has been done for homework in your second copy. This second page has to be done. This third page has to be done. The fourth page has to be done. Now this is area of compound shapes. We haven't done that yet. So you can skip this page, this one, and this one. You have to restart over here. Homework includes the perimeter, this page, second page, and the third page, and also the fourth page. Okay, this last page here, you don't do that either. That's the next week now. So we'll have some extra sheets for next week. That's the problem. Okay, folks, well done. Fantastic lesson today. Please make sure that you do your homework. Move it up a bit, please. Move it up a bit.
Okay.
Move it up. Move it down. A little bit down. That's it. Okay, thank you for that, everybody. So you can all, like now, you can log off. Please make sure that those students, at least 4 or 5 of them, who haven't sent the homework in, are send the homework in at least by WhatsApp, if not by cam scanner or by any other means. Okay, there's also then I can check your work, see what you're doing and where you need help. Okay, folks.
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow for those who do 11+.
Okay, bye.
Bye.